can relate to that. I remember I got into business development and proposal management basically from the beginning, which is unusual. And what I learned from that really is the fragility of all of this, of a successive series of space missions to increasingly more ambitious destinations. I mean, and we're seeing that now as we speak. The government might be halfway through reopening, but Mars sample return seems unlikely to execute in its original form, at least. So this is really a timely topic of how do we create long-lasting institutions that can communicate value and meaning over time. And I was in a conversation earlier where if the government reopens this week, my understanding is it'll be a 3-month CR or something like that. And I remember thinking to myself, how much of my work can I get done with NASA in 3 months? And I thought, what a crazy question. Maybe they can get some proposals reviewed and schedule a meeting or another mission review that I'm involved in. But this is ridiculous. We can't.
Yeah.
If this is the norm now, just negotiations and Congress failing into a shutdown, this is not the way to run a McDonald's, let alone, exploring the solar system. So I know I keep saying this, but it's a timely question. So what was your conclusion, if I might be so bold, about, how to move forward, or maybe that should be the end of our call, but it sounds like you came to the conclusion that the institution is actually a bigger issue than the missions. And that in order to have a world where we do these missions, we need to dramatically improve the institution.